Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your notebook kernel matches the env where you will install packages. Open a terminal or notebook cell and activate the virtualenv or conda env. This prevents clashes. Once active, install TensorFlow because Keras is bundled. Pip install TensorFlow or conda install see conda forge TensorFlow. You do this now so imports later reference the same interpreter. Otherwise, Jupyter will show module not found error, even after installation. Once TensorFlow is installed, you must restart the Jupyter kernel so the new package is loaded into memory. In a notebook cell, run import TensorFlow as TF and print the version to confirm the interpreter matches your installed package. This ensures Jupyter is using the environment you prepared. If you prefer the standalone Keras API, import from TensorFlow. Keras. This avoids legacy package confusion. Make sure to restart any running kernels after package changes. Now import Keras with a single, reliable statement. From TensorFlow import Keras or import TensorFlow. Keras as Keras because modern Keras is integrated into TensorFlow. You should then instantiate a tiny model to confirm everything works, for example sequential with one dense layer, and run a summary. If you hit import error or version mismatches, first verify the notebook kernel points to your installed environment and that you installed via the same package manager.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.